Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. My name is David Wilkerson. I am a high performance coach as well as the owner of Blackstone Asset Recovery. Just wanted to make a quick little video for you guys today and show you guys how to make a master key code. So I don't know how many of you guys are familiar with a master key code, but it's where you take an Excel spreadsheet and you take all the numbers and you get them to become to where they're in one cell. That makes it to where when you upload it into an auto dialer, each one of those telephone numbers gets called. So when you're skip tracing data, you usually get back 10 or 15 numbers. I mean, personally, I only like to stack up 3 or 4 of them, but a lot of people, they just like to call all of them, and so they don't want to waste any potential opportunity to connect with somebody that might be a deal. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make a master key code to where they'll eliminate that problem for you guys. So here, let's go. So this list that we're looking at right now is on my Google Sheets. This is of just some I think it was actually like a wholesale list, like I pulled like, I don't know, like 2 years ago, but this will work for an example standpoint. So what I usually like to do, this is just me personally, I think a lot of the stuff that gets skip traced out there, I think after you have about the third or fourth telephone number, the percentage rate of the likelihood of somebody picking up that you're trying to get a hold of drops dramatically. So just for an example, I'm going to go to 3. You guys can just take this and keep going as far as you want with it. But what you'd want to do is this. You'd click on the column, left click, and then you'd want to insert one to the left. So this is a brand new column. Yeah, I'm not the most tech savvy person, even me. All right, and then you want to click on this top little box right here. Okay, and now in this box, you're going to want to type a formula. Okay, now the formula that you're going to want to type is going to be the equal sign. The equal sign, and then it's going to be the name of the column that you want to start. So this one would be R, and then we want to go to the second entry. Boom. Oh no, R1, I'm sorry, R1. Okay, and then we would put the and sign, and then in all caps, you want to go character, and then open parentheses 10, close parentheses 10, and then we would want to duplicate that process over again. So we'd want to go and this time we're going to go S1, okay, and then we're going to go and character, open parentheses, close, boom, and then we're going to duplicate it again, so that's going to be T1 and character, open, close, boom. So there we go. Now the way to make this formula pool to where it works with all these is you just click on this little box in the bottom right hand corner. You're going to just drag this all the way down to the bottom there. And boom, you got it. You have your master key code created to where next time you're uploading it into the auto dialer, you're never going to miss a telephone number, or you're never going to have a problem doing it yourself or have to call customer service. I know that's always been a pain in the ass, at least for me. And so when I figured this out, it was a huge time saver. So just remember, you guys, let me go up to the very, very top here and do a little overview. So you'd want to create a new column. You want to click on it, and then the code would be equals, and then where you started, so R1 right there, and then and capital character, and then in parentheses 10, out parentheses, and then go as far as you want. So we could take this even farther. All we would have to do is just take that code, and then we'd go and V1 and character, parentheses and parentheses. But that's how you do it, you guys. If I wasn't thorough enough at all, by all means, in the comments, write down your question. I'm more than happy to answer it directly, but this should save you guys a whole heck of a lot of time. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.